attended by our beloved principal were due to provide awareness to them.
The students of Government College of Nursing imparted an awareness based on self-protection from offense to create a culture of vigilance to bring out a safer environment.
One of the most awaited topics that the Parliament would love to discuss is about the competitions that has been held among the Nirmalites.
For the spiritual enlightenment of the students, Kerala Catholic Students League conducted various competitions and our school secured a high position which was held at St. Thomas College.
Our students participated in tug-of-war competitions held at Viyur Cooperative School and got an opportunity to sparkle in Thrissur district team.
To motivate our students with spiritual-like thoughts, advocate concern in the basis of value of Bible. This enriched the active participation in the Bible verse competition.
To foster the knowledge of political and economical affairs, Excel Science Genius and IAS examinations were conducted respectively to help students prepare for their future.
It is noble to teach oneself, but still nobler to teach others. On September 5, a pompous and a colorful display of program was held to honor and to show respect to beloved teachers.
To ignite young minds, we have participated in various quiz competitions. For instance, we have participated a handful of quiz competitions.
The art of speaking includes confidence and expression. To test these potentials, our students were given a handful of opportunities to participate in elocution, extempore, and handwriting competition.
From different categories, more than 30 students participated in tug-of-war competitions.
Well-organized teachers exhibited their talents through various competitions in Teachers' Kalolsav held at CSM Public School Idasheri, and most of our teachers secured A grade in most of the competitions.
A teacher has a higher responsibility as compared to other professions because a student looks upon them as the embodiment of perfection. The relevance of value of education in the present education system to nourish higher ideals to us. Our teachers imparted the value of education.
Well, what about the involvement of the parents in the PTA meetings that has been conducted? I mean, is there a rapport between the parents, teachers and the management?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to furnish the rapport among parents, teachers and management. Parents-teachers meeting are great arena where parents gain opportunities to know more about the performance of their child in the class. Parents are encouraged to investigate, to give suggestions about their work to channelize them appropriately.
Now, I would like to hear about the participation of the students in the extracurricular activities that has been organized.
Our school has given due weightage to both academic and extracurricular activities to instill the habit of reading and thus to acquire more knowledge. Vayana Kalari program was inaugurated by the members of Malayalam Manorama.
In connection with Nallapadam, our students conducted an anti-drug rally escorted by our beloved principal and teachers. Drawing competitions were held on the topic anti-drug to create awareness among teenagers.
To imbibe spiritual value and to detach oneself from the pressures of material world, an opportunity was given to high school and higher secondary students to go for a retreat at Jerusalem Retreat Center.
To acknowledge the power of adult franchise, school cabinet polling was conducted on 2nd July 2019 and thereby proceeded the investiture ceremony with a pomp and show to culminate them to become a better citizens of tomorrow.
Our traditional festival Onam was celebrated by the team of our students and teachers. The day was colorful through various competitions like tug of war, Tiruvadira and Uriyadi. The day was sweetened by Paisam distribution.
To foster the knowledge on ancient traditional medicines for the upcoming generation, Mrs. Tangama Thomas inaugurated Nata River. To invite the occasion, our students displayed their store of medicinal plants.
Our students are eager to explore and expand their boundaries. More than 60 students participated in Sahodaya. The competition provided a myriad of opportunities for the children to demonstrate their talents out. Majority of our children secured A grade, and the shining stars were Enjo P. Baby, Anjana Devi and Enjoy Francie.
To commemorate the birth anniversary of our 11th President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who taught young minds to aspire to dreams. On this occasion, we conducted quiz, displayed posters, enacted drama, instilling life incidents of our missile man.
Gandhiji, a pioneer of truth and nonviolence, who played a very significant role in achieving independence. His birthday, 2nd October, celebrated in the birthday of our father of the nation. To commemorate the relevance of the day, Nirmal Jyotians proudly presented a rally with placards denoting Babuji's ideals and mottos.
School is a society of learning. Therefore, we have several external activities such as drawing, skating, violin, keyboard, and so on to help the students. To get rid of the stressful time schedule, we pull some precious time for entertainment and relaxation. To have a peace of mind. Yes, that momentous memorable picnic was to Mysore by 10th standard and plus 2 to Ooty.
So, moving on to the financial sector that has been handled by Nirmal Jyoti. Let's hear about the contributions made by them.
In connection with the news that we read in our assembly, we have extended our helping hand to a family at Tolur where the family members are cancer patients. In connection with to commemorate the December, the month of sacrifice, we are going to feed the inhabitants of Agasha Paravagal in Gagulta